We are going to take a look at a Sullivan Pallatek 75UD 75 horsepower rotary screw compressor. Also remember to subscribe, like, share, and turn on notifications to get notified as soon as the newest video drops. This is a pre-owned 75 horsepower rotary screw compressor with 29,886 original hours. It runs strong. It does have a new coupler. There's no leaks. It's capable of 356 CFM at 125 PSI, 280 CFM at 150 PSI, and 200 CFM at 175 PSI. It is currently wired for 460 volt 3-phase operation.